Dear student, today I am going to deliver topic that is Narcotic and Psychotic Substance Act and Rule 1985. Content in this are first is objective, second is definition, third is authority and officers, fourth is constitution and function of Narcotic and Psychotic Consultative Committee, fifth is National Fund for Controlling the Drug Abuse, its prohibition, control and regulation. Sixth is opium, poppy cultivation and production of poppy straw. Next is your manufacture, sale and export of opium. And last one is offences and penalties. The first is objective. In this, first objective is to consolidate or bind together and amend, that is change, the existing law related to narcotic drug. So in this objective, you can change the existing law and also we can bind together the other existing law of narcotic drug. Second objective is to make stringent, that is strict or firm prohibition for control and regulation of operation related to narcotic drugs and psychotic substance. Third is to consider enhanced penalties, particularly for trafficking offences. The last one is to make provision for implementation of international convention related to narcotic drugs and psychotic substances to which India is party. So these are the four objectives of Narcotic and Psychotic Act. Next is your history. History is first, that is Opium Act. It was revised in 1978. In 1950, again this act was revised and known as Opium and Revenue Law Act 1950. In 16 September 1985, this act was repealed, that is call off, and Act 61 of NDPSA, it was enforced. This definition, it includes first is addict. So addict means a person who is either dependent or habitual to regular use of narcotic drugs or psychotic substance. Then next is cannabis. It is otherwise known as hemp. So it includes charas, ganja, and any mixture. Charas means that is a resin which is either in crude or purified form, and it is obtained from the plant cannabis, and it is after obtaining it is concentrated, and the resin is also known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Next is ganja. This is flowering or fruiting top of cannabis plant. And next is any mixture, that is with or without any neutral material of ganja or charas, or any drink prepared from there. Next, coca derivative means crude cocaine, that is extract of coca leaf, and it is used either directly or indirectly for the manufacture of cocaine. Then egonin, that is egonin and its derivative from which it can be recovered. Third is cocaine, is other name is methyl ester of benzoyl econin and its salts. Next, all preparation containing more than 0.1% of cocaine. Next, coca leaves. Coca leaves, that is the leaf of the coca plant, name is Erythroxylum, and in this it includes any mixture thereof with or without any neutral material, but does not include any preparation containing less than 0.1% cocaine. Next is manufacture. In this case, all processes other than production by which such drug or substance may be obtained, refining or transformation of such drug or substance, making of preparation otherwise than in a pharmacy on prescription with or containing such drug or substances. So manufacture include processes, refining, transformation and preparations. Next, manufacture drug. It includes all coca derivative, medicinal cannabis, opium derivative, poppy straw concentrate. This also includes any other narcotic substance or preparation which central government may having regard to available information as to its nature or to decision is under any international convention by notification in a official gazette declared by a manufacturer drug. So in this generally the narcotic substance of preparation which is approved by central government and they avail the information regarding the nature and it is mentioned or notified in official gazette. Next, medicinal cannabis, that is medicinal hemp. It is the extract or tincture of cannabis or hemp. Next is your narcotic commissioner, that is the commissioner appointed under section 5. Next is narcotic drug, that is means coca leaf, cannabis, opium, poppy straw and all manufactured drugs. Next is the definition of opium, that is coagulated juice of opium, poppy, or any mixture with or without any neutral material of coagulated juice of opium, poppy, but does not include any preparation containing not more than 0.2% of morphine. Next definition is opium derivative means medicinal opium, repair opium, phenanthrene alkaloid such as morphine, codeine, thiamine and their salt, diacetyl morphine, heroin and its salts, all preparation containing more than 0.2% of morphine or any amount of diacetyl morphine. Next definition is opium poppy, that is the plant of this species, Papaver somniferum. And the plant of any other species of Papaver from which opium or any phenanthrene alkaloid can be extracted. Next is opium poppy means the plant of this species, Papaver somniferum, or the plant of any other species of Papaver from which opium or any phenanthrene alkaloid can be extracted. And this is which the central government may or by the notification of in the official gazette declared to be opium poppy for the purpose of this act. Next definition is your poppy straw, that is all part except the seeds of opium poppy. After harvesting, whether in their original form or cut or crushed or powder, and whether or not juice has been extracted therefrom, this is known as poppy straw. Psychotic substances, these are the substances, neutral or synthetic or any natural material or any salt or preparation of substance or material included in the list of psychotic substances specified in this schedule. Next, controlled substances. Controlled substances mean any substance which the central government may having regard to the available information. Next is controlled substance means any substance which the central government have available information and as it is possible used in the production or manufacture of narcotic drugs or psychotic substances or to be provision of any international convention by notification of official gazette declared to be controlled substances. And the last one, that is illicit traffic in relation to narcotic drugs or psychosis, means cultivation of any coca plant, gathering any portion of the coca plant. Then next is cultivation of poppy plants, engage in production, manufacturing, possession, sale, purchase, transportation, warehouse, concealment, use of or consumption, import, interstate, export, interstate, import into India, export from India, or transshipment, narcotic drugs or psychotic substances. So these are coming under illicit trafficking. And next is your dealing in any activity in narcotic drugs or psychotic substances. Then handling, letting out any premises for the carrying out of any activity, referring subclause 1 to 4. And financing directly or indirectly or any for mentioned activity, aiding or conspiring in futureness, and harboring person engaged in any for mentioned activity.